You're gonna have to forgive my mess here. We just moved, and this room here, when everything's put away, is gonna be my storage room slash inside truck work room slash home of the guinea pig. So the plan here in this box of wonderful wires. This is actually the original engine wire harness off my 97 Dodge, along with a spare engine harness for a 97 Dodge, along with the rest of the underhood harness from my 97 Dodge that plugs into the dash, up to the headlights, and then goes back to the two main connectors that run back the rest of the way back to the truck. So what we're doing here, obviously, this is the standard OBD2 style plugs that go into the ECM, and this is just a full harness. So still has stuff like the here's the output speed sensor for the back of the transfer case. Here's a couple injector plugs. I don't even know what that is. There's one of the plugs for our alternator, ground for the alternator. I believe this is the standard coil wire plug. I think that's for the coil wire. We got just all kinds of stuff here. There's for the O2 sensor. There's the other O2 sensor, and then of course on the other side of the wire harness we're going to have all the other four injector plugs. We're going to have the idle air control valve plug, the throttle position sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, intake air temp sensor, all that stuff. So what I'm going to do, because this truck is going to be carbureted, I'm going to be thinning out this wire harness. So essentially, I don't want anything in this harness that isn't absolutely necessary. I only want the bare minimum. Now, I'm going to need to keep some things to run the air conditioning. I'd like to be able to keep cruise control function, and I'd like to be able to run the stock alternator. I know there's plenty of aftermarket options, like a single wire GM or something like that. But I want this to be as simple as possible, so that if something happens while I'm on the road, say the alternator dies while I'm on the road, I can go to AutoZone and get one. I want it to have the same factory Magnum style serpentine belt set up, all that stuff. So, guess that's it for now. I'll have to record some stuff when I get back into it, but this is going to be the first little part of getting my 97 Dodge short bed regular cab 5-speed truck switched over to run a carburetor.